I'm scared. I have to give my DNA? Oh my lord. This better help me. Buckle in. And the results are... Hey cuties! Mwah! So today we are going to be doing a food intolerance... Here we go, we're off to a good start. A food intolerance / allergy test at home. Now some of you guys might be like, what? Okay, so if you guys are a little confused, I would like to bring you up to speed. So I had a serious allergic reaction on Boxing Day of last year. So a couple months ago. My lips, I woke up with my lips out to here, my throat swollen. It was scary looking. I'm gonna insert pictures here. It was actually terrifying. I was like, what the fuck is going on? This is not like me. I didn't think I had any allergies, but here we are. It was terrifying. My mom actually rushed me to the emergency room. I basically didn't even wait in the emergency room. They just brought me right in a wheelchair. I was like, this is dramatic. But they said, I am looking dramatic. So, you know, they took the proper precautions, and I'm so thankful for the healthcare system because I didn't know what was happening or anything, but basically I had angioedema, which is swelling of your face. I had significant, he said, angioedema, and he said it's definitely due to an allergic reaction. This is what he told me to pick up. So this is just a non-drowsy for allergies, and then if I'm gonna have like an actual swelling allergic reaction, to take Benadryl. He told me if that happens again, to take 2 Benadryl and come straight to back to the ER. And since then, I haven't told you guys this, but it has happened 4 times. Just, I feel like I'm wasting people's time and I don't know what I'm allergic to. Swelling here, just very much like here, swelling. So people are all asking me like, what the hell are you allergic to? I don't know. I don't know, couldn't tell you. It could be food, it could be a chemical allergy, like cleaning products. It could be metal allergy, it could be an outside thing. It could be perfumes, deodorants, toothpaste, because it's all here. I'm fine right now, and I have like things like that help me be fine if it does happen. Yes, it's scary, but I'm not the only one in the world that deals with allergies, right? I'm not patient 0. Like, you know what I mean? It's just annoying. Like, if you guys have dealt with allergies and you don't know what they are, like, it's just frustrating and annoying not knowing what it is, because like if I knew what it was, I would avoid it, right? So basically, I got this food intolerance test. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is by 5 Strands. Uncover the insights to living a happier and healthier life. Period. So it tests for over 640 different foods and ingredients and stuff like that. I think even like spices and stuff. I don't even know. There's like so much. There's olive oil even on here. I don't know. So you have to put in your hair in this and your blood. So we are going to do this today. Don't worry. I'm not going to show you any of the blood. The ER doctor said, both of them actually said, like, you can't just like worry your whole life, like, or worry at this time, like what it was, because like take for instance, like if you had like spring rolls, let's say, the wrappers themselves have how many ingredients, the filling has how many ingredients, then when you roll it up and fry it, if you fry your spring rolls, some people do, some people don't. If you fry it, what oil it is, what has also been in the oil, and you're probably not just gonna have spring rolls, you're probably gonna have a dip with it, what's all in it. Like, there's so many different things, and maybe you'll have like chicken with it. I've just learned so much, but there's so much more I can learn. And I would love to know, because there's so many people that have allergies, and I'm not the only one, like I said. So if you would leave down below like what you did when you struggled with allergies or like not knowing, I would be very appreciative. You don't have to tell your medical story if you don't want to. Please don't. Please don't feel obligated. I just want to say one more thing, and that is I actually booked an appointment with my my family doctor. She was like, okay, so we're just gonna refer you to an allergist. And I was like, oh, I honestly thought I was going in there for an allergy appointment. Like, I was like, I had water with me. I was like ready to go. But she just like referred me, which is amazing. But I'm thankful for her. And basically, when we were in the Dominican later on in January, she phoned me and I was like, what the hell, my doctor's phoning me in the Dominican? So I got it, and she said basically the referral came back to her, was denied, because she told me there was one allergist in our province and they are so booked up, and they have been since COVID, she said. And I was like, what? There's one? Like, I didn't believe it, but I have to believe my doctor, right? Like, I'm not an idiot. So she said, do you mind if I refer you out of province? So like for the States, for you guys, like out of state. And I was like, I don't mind. Like, I don't mind traveling, like, honestly. So I'm being referred to Edmonton, Alberta, which you guys know I've been to Edmonton lots. It's like a 5-6 hour drive. And I can like go shopping, make a vacation out of it if I don't have an allergic reaction. But I got my safety net. So I will actually have a professional medical allergy test from an allergy specialist specialist. She said it's gonna take a long time to get in there, so I don't know how long it's gonna be. I'm like, some people told me it's gonna be months, some people told me it could be like a year or two. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that on the vlog channel, so stay tuned for my allergy journey. Woo! If I'm allergic to pets, we're just gonna live with it. Safety net. So let's open it and see what's inside. An unboxing, if you will. Got this online. It was from like a reputable company, I hope. My mom's like, they're gonna take your DNA. And I was like, and do what with it? Create lazy children? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, it's time to register your kit. Okay, collect sample head or body hair. Okay. So there's no blood. There's no blood. It's just hair. So it comes like this. Oh, it's in Toronto. Okay, cool. I washed my hands before this, but this is medical. I'm my own doctor now. Okay, so this is to register my kit. I will do that. So there's no blood. Literally, Austin said to me it's blood, and my mom's like, my mom was like, get a pin, run it under hot water, and just prick your finger. That's literally so my mom answer. Literally, she's like, cut yourself. It's just hair. Okay. Okay, hair. Now, I just got back from getting my hair bleached. Like, I'm saying, like, my hair was bleached less than an hour ago. Some of you guys might be like, okay, well, then you're not taking this seriously. It's obviously bleach and, like, all this. Have no fear. Before I went to my appointment, I plucked hair from my head naturally with roots. So, here you go. See, my roots here. So, I feel like this is, like, what is like my natural and to send to the collection agency. Okay, so I got this bag here. Should I do from here? Should I go like, I don't even know. Here's a hair. Can you see it? No. Oh, yeah, you can. Ready? Ow! Okay, I got the root. Girl, I don't want to be bald. Okay, let me go like here. I don't know. Should I just yank this much out? Come on. That's a lot, I feel. Can we take a little bit less? I'm literally just gonna... That's actually insane. That's way too much. Oh, a lot came. Okay. Okay, bye. We're just gonna go at the top of my head. Just like a few strands. Ready? Oh my god, there's roots! Roots! Darling. This is my DNA. Do you see all the hair in it? Clock it. Look at all that. See what I'm allergic to, bestie? I honestly, and I will grab a little bit from this side. Not me scalping myself. Okay, ready? That was a lot. I'm gonna stop making myself bald. That's the hair sample. You know what? Hell yeah! Success! Now let me go to my hair appointment and then do the rest of this. Collect 10 to 15 strands of hair from anywhere on the body. Place hair sample inside the white parchment paper bag. Bestie, there you didn't give me one. Oh, it's inside there. Do you see it? She's very mysterious. Fold parchment paper and place inside the silver. It already is. Okay, so I'll take it out then, yeah. Woo! Welcome to the clinic. I hope I got 10 to 15 strands of hair here. Lol. Fold it. Come on. Watch it all go in a rat's nest. Oh, okay. Girl. Okay, that is more than 10 to 15 strands of hair. Okay, period. Fold the bag.
Seems easy.
And put back into here. Oh, I thought I was gonna need to take blood. I was like, Edward. Or wait, Carlisle. She's in there. So if you are a US customer, you put it back into this box. And then if you're international, so I guess I'm international, you put it into here. So I'm mailing it to Toronto. I feel like they're gonna get it quite quickly. Literally by. It's like place hair in there, put it in there, place in the envelope, drop it off. I make things way harder than it needs to be. But I'm like, also like, I'm trying to take this really seriously. Even though I'm laughing and giggling, I'm still taking it very seriously. I need this done. It's not just for a video. It's literally for my health. I cannot wait to show you guys the results. I will see you guys whenever I get it. It says about 7 to 10 days. So I'm just gonna say see you guys in about 2 weeks. Bye! Mwah! Wish me all the best. I can't wait to see. Okay, hey everyone, it has been just over a week and we have results. I'm nervous. Okay, now I just want to reiterate that this is not an allergy test per se. It's a food intolerance test, but this is gonna give me some answers. We are gonna get some answers from this and hopefully have a better quality of life through this. So this isn't like an end-all tell-all, but this will help me basically. So, okay, so this is what I see when I'm looking at it. I'm just blurring out my information. Then I'm gonna click tests and then it says right here, view results. I'm nervous, okay? But let's go for it. View results. I think it like downloads as a PDF. Holy shit, download PDF. Okay, we're gonna download the PDF. Download. It's downloading. Okay. I see it. Oh my god. What do you think it is? I just hope it's nothing to do with like shrimp or cheese. Like if it's nothing to do with shrimp or cheese, I feel like I'm fine. I'm golden. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna open it. Your holistic journey. Okay, I'm gonna brighten up here. Okay, so how to read your results. Gray is no intolerance. Green is a mild intolerance. Any symptoms are unlikely to be even noticeable. Okay, so gray and green, I feel like we just eat them. Yellow, moderate intolerance. So symptoms may be starting to affect your daily life, maybe more and more noticeable. It is recommended to avoid these foods. Okay, and then red is severe intolerance. Okay, so we're looking for red. Symptoms may have already physically manifested and require immediate attention. It is recommended to avoid these food items for 6 to 8 weeks. So if it's cheese, we don't care. Don't be nervous. Okay. Holy shite. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much, you guys. There's literally, I'm not kidding, there's pages of them. Okay, so I might have to do a voiceover, literally, because there's like pages. And like different levels and stuff like that. A Granny Smith apple is level 3. White grapes, blackberries. Okay, wait, I want to see. Okay, wait. Chicken and chicken bone broth. I am a red. Chicken egg whites, I'm red. What? Catfish, clams, we're good. I'm like shrimp. Green! Okay, those are the ones. Okay, good. Okay, period. I am sole and snapper. Tuna! Okay, one of my last allergic reactions, I've been starting to like write stuff down. I love tuna. Tuna's also really good for you. I had an allergic reaction the day I had tuna. My lips swelled up. Me trying to eat healthy? Dill! I literally had lemon dill tuna. Goat. It's like you're good to eat goat. I'm not eating goat. Like, rabbit, do not eat. I wasn't planning on it. Peanuts. But peanut butter's fine. Poppy seeds. Oh my god. Another time when I had an allergic reaction, I had a poppy seed bagel. I know I say bagel weird. Anyways, whew. This is taking me for a loop here. Wow. I didn't know it was going to be this in depth. Also, this isn't like 100%, not to doubt the company or anything like that, but it isn't like 100% effective. Also, like I didn't go and give blood or anything like that, or like an actual test. It is just like sending things through the mail. So things can be not accurate, right? I'm not shading this test. I'm also not sponsored by this test, but I'm just taking it, like take it as a grain of salt. Can I have salt? Like I'm not going to take this as like foolproof, but I will start monitoring what I know and what this test does give me. If I do have one of the red zones, then I will see if I do have symptoms, rather than if I just ate a full day of like green foods. So that this does give me a lot of insight. Also can be like with weight gain, holding, like bloating, because some days I wake up and I feel like I'm bloated. I am seeing a doctor. I am on the list to see an allergist. This is a really in-depth, and I'm very happy for this. Like I'm very thankful that I actually got some answers, and I am gonna take this list seriously. Oh, this is just like crazy. Oat milk is a red food. That's the only milk I drink. Wait, cheese. I want to see cheese. Cheese. Goat cheese, red. Gouda's okay. Parmesan cheese is a no. Well, like, this is just not even allowed. Propane! It's like, you're good. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest of this as a voiceover to do it. Okay, so when I open my results, this is what I see. It's very much in depth, so that's why I decided to just do this voiceover. So I'm splitting it into 2 different categories of my red foods that I have the most adverse reactions to according to my body and my makeup. This first category here are like coatings, antioxidants, acidity regulators, emulsifiers, flavor enhancers, food dyes, modified starches, and preservatives, type beet. Most of these I'm completely clueless and I have no idea what these even are, or sometimes even know how to pronounce them. So I just put this on here as if you do, cool, let me know. If you don't, cool. Let's get into stuff we can actually pronounce. Okay, so buckle in. I'm just gonna read off this list. We've got almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, yerba mate tea, whiskey, boo, brie cheese, cottage cheese, goat cheese, Gruyere cheese, Parmesan cheese, cream cheese. Okay, enough with the cheeses. Kefir, goat's milk, cod liver oil, olive oil, acai berry, gala apple, Granny Smith apple, blackberries, white grapes, mandarin oranges, prunes, brown rice, spelt, hemp, nutritional yeast, spirulina, wakame, baru nuts, hazelnuts, peanuts, poppy seeds, chicken, chicken bone broth, chicken egg whites, lamb, chicken liver, rabbit, seitan, turkey, crayfish, grouper, pollock, snapper, sole, tuna, cilantro, cinnamon, dill, mint, nutmeg, paprika, cayenne/red pepper, white pepper, pink Himalayan salt, sea salt, thyme, asparagus, chickpeas, white cabbage that's cooked, corn, cucumber, horseradish, kale that's cooked. This is a lot. I'm so sorry. Butter lettuce, green leaf lettuce. I'm honestly dead at this point. Button mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, raw onions, it doesn't specify what kind, scallions, serrano pepper, rutabaga, spinach that's cooked and spinach that's raw, a yellow squash, water chestnuts, and yucca or a cassava. So that's all of what 5 strands say that my red foods are. So I know that's a big list, that's a lot. So I'm just gonna monitor and keep those in mind and go from there and wait for my allergy test. And hopefully the allergy test and this red food list, we can connect some dots and see which ones I'm actually allergic to or just have a resistance to in my body. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. And if there is something going on in your body, do not hesitate to get answers, and don't be afraid to reach out for help. And if maybe you're not getting the answers you want, there's always a second opinion, a third opinion, and you know your body best. So if you need to go to the ER, go to the ER. If you think you need to order yourself something online, again, it's not like foolproof, right? It's your health is your health, and some people don't like sending, you know, their DNA in the mail. I totally get that, but just at the very most, like, take your health seriously, because you guys all matter so much, and I love you guys so much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys! Bye cuties! I love you so much. Go love yourself.